How do you increase your productivity at work and increase your mood levels, your serotonin, and your motivation? Get outside of your normal routine. In fact, just break it up by going outside. Maybe it's a cloudy day, so what? Get out and go for a walk. If it's sunny, put your sunglasses on and go for a walk. You work from home, great. Go to the end of the driveway and back. Maybe you work in downtown, go say hey to a local business, or even better, spend that breakup time volunteering. Habitat for Humanity can always use an hour in the middle of the day. Maybe you want to help the battered women's shelter, the Arts Council, or just go up and down your street and pick up some trash from people who don't have any sense. And that can change everything, because we know that if you break the routine, you can get refreshed. And when you're refreshed, it's easier to make the phone calls that are easy and make the phone calls that are hard. It's easier to feel like you are a productive part of society when you go out and produce a little more for somebody else. I'm telling you, real estate is interesting because it changes every single day, and we love the uncertainty and the changing up of it. But at the end of it, you realize you worked with buyers, you worked with sellers, you worked with processes and inspections, and with repairs and surveys, and you did all the same tasks you've been doing for years. Sometimes you lose a little bit of your fire. So break up the routine and go find your fire by bringing some help to somebody else. It'll change your day. And if you don't have the opportunity to give back, or you don't have the bandwidth for it, just break up your own routine and go for a walk without the ear pods, without the podcast, and without the music, because listening to the birds and even the traffic can change it up enough that you can get back to doing great things for your business and for everybody around you.